Everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, and today we are going to be unbagging the Sephora Play. I'm a little late on this one because it is for February. So if you want to see what I got in this bag, keep on watching. Okay, this is the Sephora Play. I know I get these every month. These are $10. If you wait till the month after, you can get it for $9. This is my little information sheet here. Let's see what we got this month. I usually do get really nice things from this bag. The first thing that I got is, of course, Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hydraulic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I like that. An innovative ultra moisturizing cream that'll leave your skin feeling like it's on cloud 9 for up to 72 hours. Let's try that out. The next thing we got here is Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with Multi-Action Super Lotus. That's nice. I can use anything to make my skin look younger. I think I already have some of this, but moisturizer is something us ladies always need. The next thing that we have, I've got, this is the bonus for this month. These are Playa shampoo and conditioner. I might use that when I get done with the video. That's awesome. The next thing that we got, if you hear something in the background, that would be my puppy. Well, not my puppy, but my dog. My Jack Russell is back there digging in something. I don't know what. Oh, okay. I got the KVD Locket Translucent Powder. I'm surprised they even put this in the box. I wonder what kind of commotion that's going to cause this month. But I'll use the powder, no less. Translucent powder is pretty good. Just got produced by anybody. Except that makeup. The next thing that we got is, Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. A foundation for us to try out. What color they give me? They gave me light medium sand. So I guess I can probably use it some days. It's a little light. Might not match my little tan I got going on here. Let's see what else we got. I know. You know what's in my bag? This is the last thing, y'all. This is so small. So cute. This is the Lancome 15% Vitamin C Correcting Concentrate. Let's see what this does. Y'all can take a big old look at that. It's like really little. See, here's that little foundation. This is the little foundation I got from Tarte. See how small this is compared to it? It's like the mini of the minis. Formulated with hydrating hyaluronic acid with, hyaluronic acid. This daily vitamin C serum works to visibly even out tone, tighten the look of the skin, and increase overall radiance. Shake well. Apply 4 to 5 drops onto your hands and pat onto clean, dry face. Also, allow to absorb for a few moments before you apply your moisturizer. Well, and that is it for today. Before you leave, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button. It don't cost you anything. It don't cost me anything. It just helps me out a little bit. Hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. or if you want to see what I get in my next month's Sephora play or my Boxycharm for next month, or if you want to see a full face of Miss AUA makeup, because I have a whole bunch of it that I ordered, and that will be my next video. So I can't wait to do it, because I got a whole bunch of stuff. I got a whole face and everything for like $40. But that is it for today. Y'all have a great day.